A lot of you have been asking me to drop sample packs, so yeah, I'm finally dropping a free sample pack for you guys. I know some of you guys don't have proper sample packs, some don't even have packs, so yeah, I just decided to combine some of the sample packs that I have and create one sample pack that I can give to you guys. Without wasting any time, I'm just gonna walk you guys through the sample pack. The link is in the description below. Yeah, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the sample pack has roughly about 400 elements, sounds. So we have a FX folder, as you can see. Then we have a head and crush folder. I'm just gonna quickly take you guys through the pack because I don't want to waste your time. And then we have a kick folder, we have a loops folder, we have a percussion folder. You guys will just download and just play around with the sound. We have a presets folder, it's just presets for the lock drum. Then we have rim shots, and then we have a folder for sample track loops. So basically all these loops are sampled from songs. And then we have a shaker folder and a snare and clap folder, a box folder, and yeah, that's basically the whole pack. Right now I'm going to create a beat with the sample pack. I hope you guys enjoy what I'm about to cook. Let's get into the video. Okay, let me try and come up with the chord progression. Okay, so I'm not going to create like a whole beat. I'm just trying to show you guys what's inside the pack and what you can do with what's in the pack. I'm going to add a bass guitar. Let's see what I can come up with. to create a piano solo right now. Yeah, you know, guys, I like piano solos. Yeah. Doing the buffering things, I don't understand, so I can't create a long solo because now I can't even play because it's delayed. Let me use presets from this pack. Eish. Black shaker, black shaker. That's it for today's video, guys. Catch me on the next video.